Alright guys, so I just installed a bunch of light bars from YITAMOTOR, which is a Amazon store, and here's my regular headlights on right now, high beams, low beams. I'm just going to show you with the high beams on what the difference is when you put the LEDs on. Like, look at that. Isn't that crazy? Like, you can't even see the regular headlights. Off, this is with the regular headlights. This is with the headlights off. This is with just the LEDs, and that's with the headlights on and the LEDs. Just look at the difference. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the wipers on full speed and then try to go through this giant puddle at high rates of speed and clean the underneath of the truck. 30 miles an hour. You could never stop seeing what was in front of you. That's just amazing. Now let's try it with the headlights off. Or the LED lights off. Miles an hour again. Couldn't see anything. So that's the benefits of having these lights. You can see literally everything when you're off-roading, or you're going through deep swamps, or you're going through the Atlantic Ocean. You can always see what's in front of you. So like right now, like we're gonna look at this car. And we're going to look at this car with these off. Do you see the difference? That's the difference. So yeah, buy these things. I'll put the link in the description. They're really good. I'm going to do an outside view of them. It's the 42-inch light bar with 400 lumens. And then it's the two, I think, I forget, I'll put the link in the description, but they're like 26,000 lumens for the small ones. And look at how freaking bright these things are. Completely makes the truck look killer. You can put these on anything, guys. I personally welded mine on there, but you can mount them in any way. They come with the mounts. They come with a good switch. And overall, it's just a good product. Here's the switch. I don't know if you can see that. Turn my flashlight on. There, I got it. There's the switch that it comes with. It even comes with a relay. Comes with the relay and everything. Comes with the relay and everything. You need minimal wiring. You just snake it through wherever. Guys, you really need to get these. Like, I am so impressed with the quality and the amount of light that they put out. And look, it just went through like a 2 feet deep puddle of water and it kept working. Like, especially these ones in the front. They just got soaked, especially the relay. Everything just got wet and they still work perfectly fine. They're just amazing lights for the price. So, yeah. YITAMOTOR lights, really good. I love them. I wish I could have more of them on all of our cars. But yeah, they're really good lights. Here's a video of me driving, just how well you can see out in front of you. Here's with the LED light bars, and there's without them. With them, without them. Like, I can't even see where I'm going. Yeah, like I can't even see where I'm going. And then now I can see everything. So if there was like a deer at night that was going to walk out in front of you, you would be able to totally see that thing and stop in time. It's just crazy. And you can even see and hear a little bit. Like, it's so much light that it bounces off the hood and gets inside the truck. Just awesome.